Hi guys, the aim of this screencast is to explain the functions in the map navigation toolbar. Sorry about that. So let's just start. That's the hand tool. It just moves the canvas on the map. This one pans to selection. So first let's select a few features. And now when I pan the map, it centers around the selected features. Zoom in, zoom out, take some time, zoom full, it zooms to all of the layers on the project, okay, but not to internet layers, which always contains the whole world. Zoom to selection. These are the selected features and I zoom around them. Zoom again to the layer. In our case there is only one layer in the project, but this will zoom so it contains the whole layer. And the last one, this one, zoom last. That's the previous zoom I used, so this is zoom last. And now that I've gone backwards, I can go forward. We're done.